Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a mango berry protein smoothie with organic collagen. And this mango blueberry protein smoothie is made without bananas. So if you want a thick and creamy smoothie without bananas that's also packed with protein, this mango berry protein smoothie is just what you're looking for. Let's make it. You only need 5 organic ingredients to make this mango berry protein smoothie. And we're using organic grass-fed collagen to get our protein. With this smoothie, you're gonna get 7 grams of protein with this all-fruit smoothie, and it's so delicious. So first, we're gonna add 1 cup of organic frozen mangoes to our blender. And so if you guys wanna make a smoothie without bananas, my top choice is going to be frozen mangoes to get a really creamy smoothie without bananas. Next, we have 1 cup of organic frozen blueberries. And next, we're gonna add in half a cup of blackberries. And you guys can use another berry as well. You could use raspberries, you could use strawberries, and these could be fresh or these could be frozen as well. Either works. Next, I'm adding half a cup of coconut milk. And you guys can use cow's milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever milk you guys have is totally fine. Once everything's added to the blender, then it's time to just blend this up until smooth. Once it's smooth and creamy, then it's ready. If you guys are using all frozen fruit, you might need a little bit more liquid, so feel free to adjust that as needed. And now we have a delicious mango berry smoothie with protein and without bananas. This collagen smoothie is so delicious and it has 7 grams of protein for this all-fruit smoothie. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more organic recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.